Hi everyone, welcome to Start to Excel in 3 minutes. Today I will show you how to create a tabular pivot table in Excel like this. So I took a screenshot of the tabular format of a pivot table, and then I would like to create the similar one here. First I have to select the whole data set, and then I have to go to the ribbon on the top. I can see the home option, right to it, insert, click on insert, and then I can see pivot table. So I click it, and then I can see that the range is already selected, and now I would like to create a pivot table here. So here one option is new worksheet. That means if I click it OK now, then it will create a pivot table in a new worksheet, but I would like to see this in the same sheet. So here I will click existing worksheet, and then I have to select a row, and then click OK. Then I can see that the pivot table is in the place. So now I would like to see the value based on the country. So I can either drag and drop in the row section, or I can just simply click, and then on the against of this I can take the name, drag and drop again, and place it into the value section, and I can see all countries. So I can see that how many times these countries are repeated. Now based on the gender, I will show you how to create. So I clicked on the gender, and I can see the gender is here. Drag and drop to the above, then I can see it is already in the place, but all the genders, I mean male and female, should be in each column, which is like this. So to do this, click on this and right click, pivot table option, go to display, click on the classic pivot table layout, click OK. Then I can see that the gender is in separate column, but still not in every row. So for this again I have to click right button, now field settings, layout and print, repeat item levels, and click OK. Then I can see that both of the pivot table are same. So this is how you can create a tabular pivot table in Excel. Thank you.